Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to transcribe audio to text, fast and for free, using Whisper by OpenAI and FFmpeg. You'll learn what Whisper and FFmpeg do, how to install them on Windows, how to transcribe your first M4A or .mp3 file. Let's get started. What are Whisper and FFmpeg? Whisper is an open-source speech recognition model by OpenAI. It's incredibly accurate, handles background noise well, and supports multiple languages. FFmpeg is a tiny but powerful media tool that helps Whisper read almost any file format, including M4A, MP3, WAV, and more. Together, they make your audio transcription simple and fast. Step 1. Install FFmpeg, required for Whisper. 1. Go to https://www.gian.dv/ffmpeg-builds. 2. Download FFmpeg release-essentials.zip. 3. Extract the folder to C++mpeg. Now let's add FFmpeg to your system's path. Press Win S. Search Environment Variables. Click Environment Variables under System Variables. Select Path. Click Edit. Click New and paste C//fivivifif/bean. Click OK to save and restart your terminal. Test it. Open a new terminal and run FFmpeg version //. Step 2. Install Whisper by OpenAI. In your terminal, pip install git plus https://github.com/openai/whisper.git. Optional but recommended, create a virtual environment. Python, venv. Step 3. Transcribe your audio file. Put your .m4a or .mp3 file into the same folder. Then run Whisper, your file .m4a, model base language en notes. Use base model for a balance of speed and quality. Available models: tiny, base, small, medium, large. Whisper auto-generates .txt, srt, .json, and .vtt files for subtitles. And that's it! You now have a powerful offline speech-to-text setup with Whisper and FFmpeg. Thanks for watching.